Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the base compound. All options are cyclobutadiene-based C4H4 ring systems, which is a 4-membered fully conjugated cyclic system. Moving on to the next step. Count pi electrons in neutral C4H4 cyclobutadiene. Cyclobutadiene has 4 pi electrons, 4n system, n is equal to 1, which is anti-aromatic. Moving on to the next step. A. C4H4 minus 1 adding 1 electron to the 4 pi electrons gives 5 pi electrons. 5 does not fit 4n plus 2 for any integer n not aromatic. B. C4H4 plus 1 removing 1 electron from 4 pi electrons gives 3 pi electrons. 3 does not fit 4n plus 2 for any integer n not aromatic. C. C4H4 minus 2 adding 2 electrons to the 4 pi electrons gives 6 pi electrons. 6 is equal to 4, 1 plus 2, so n is equal to 1. This satisfies Huckel's rule. The cyclobutadiene dianion is aromatic. D. C4H4, 4 pi electrons. 4 is equal to 4n, n is equal to 1, anti-aromatic. Does not obey Huckel's rule. And for the final step, only C4H4 minus 2 with 6 pi electrons satisfies the 4n plus 2 rule, making it aromatic according to Huckel's rule. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.